GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 18. A fair unbiased coin is tossed 15 times. The probability of getting exactly 8 heads needs to be found and rounded off to 3 decimal places. The relevant NPTEL reference is listed. Coming to the useful data, one needs to know about the binomial distribution to solve this problem. So the probability of a random variable equaling a value of small r is given by NCR into P to the power r into Q to the power n minus r. To understand this simply, we do n number of trials, out of which we want a certain event to happen in r trials. We call that event as our success event, whose probability is given by P, and whatever event does not happen, so in that case it is called a loss or a failure event. So for that the probability is Q. So first we need to select any r trials from these n trials. So using the principle of combination, we can select NCR, that is any r trials from these n trials. We multiply this with the success rate, that is P, and P is happening for r times. We want the success P to happen for r trials, so P raised to the power r, as all these trials should be independent of one another. This is another thing that needs to be taken care of. The trials should be independent. And then for the rest of the n minus r trials, we want it to be failure, so Q raised to the power n minus r. So first we select and then we use the probability concept to obtain the probability of occurrence of the event for r times, using this relation of NCR, P power r and Q power n minus r. In this case we are given a coin. So coin, there can be two possible outcomes. One is head, another one is tail. So for head, let us say it is our success event, and let us call tail as our failure event. So the probability of success here will be half, and probability of tail will also be equal, that is half. So the number of trials that is done in this case is 15, and what we want is 8 times head should appear, exactly 8 times. So the probability of the number of successes to be equal to 8 will be given by 15 C8, that is NCR P power r Q power n minus r. So P here is 1 by 2 power 8, 1 by 2 power 15 minus 8. This would give 15 C8 can be calculated as 15 factorial by 8 factorial 7 factorial into, this can be written as 1 by 2 power 15. This would give 6435, which is this value, divided by 2 to the power 15. This would turn out to be 0.19638 and so on. This can be rounded off. Since the question instructs us to round it off to 3 decimal places, we'll get the answer as 0.196, using the concept of binomial distribution, where a coin is tossed for 15 times and it is found that for 8 trials to result in heads, the probability will be 0.196. So a fair coin was tossed 15 times and the probability of getting exactly 8 heads was found out as 0.196. The relevant NPTEL reference is listed.